Hello Shu and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shan and my channel is Shanizette, and in today's video we are doing a Unicorn Cosmetics haul. So I have never ordered from Unicorn Cosmetics before, so I have placed my first order and it has arrived, and I thought I would show you what I got. So delivery was really quick. I think it took 5 days in total from me checking out to the products arriving. I did order on a Friday as well, and I think it arrived, it was a Friday evening I ordered, and I think I got it on the Tuesday or the Wednesday, I can't remember exactly. But yes, let's dive in. So obviously the packaging comes in this lovely box which opens up nicely. So everything's nicely placed in the box as well. So let me show you what I got. So I got 3 pairs of lashes. I've heard so many amazing things about their lashes. I think they started off actually just making and selling their lashes. So the first set that I got is these ones called Rebel Smoke. So they look really gorgeous. So one of the founders, Mel, actually creates these, and it's got her little picture on the back there as well, which is really sweet. It just gives a bit more of a personal touch, which I think is really nice. So the next set of lashes I got, and I think these are actually 3/4 ones, so I just wanted some really nice fluffy everyday ones. So I got these ones here, which are called Vixen. I absolutely adore the packaging of Unicorn Cosmetics as well. I love just that unicorn horn. Is just, it's the little details. I love the little details. So the next ones I got were quite big, long, kind of dramatic ones, which I thought I could use for my Instagram look. So I've got these ones here called Not Basic. Let me see if I can take these ones out of the box so you can actually see. So hopefully you can see here how fluffy they are. So with Unicorn Cosmetics, they don't come with any glue. I'm not too sure if they sell their own eyelash glue actually, but it doesn't come with any glue in the box. Okay, next I've got some pigments. I can't remember the names of these pigments actually, because I don't think they have the name on the tub, but they're the prismatic pigments. Let me see if I can check back on my orders. I know that I got a little bundle which this one came in, so I don't know what the name of this one is, but then the ones I actually chose, this neon pink one here, and then this like chameleon shift one. Let me see if I can get the names of these ones up. Okay, so the pink one is called Power Surge, and then this purple one is called Team Me. Let's see if we can open these up and swatch them for you. So to open them up, you do have to peel back this sticker that is on them. Oh, that's pretty and very unicorny, I must say. Hopefully you can see that shift there. So that's a real pretty colour. This pink one is super bright. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, that was cool. So that's Power Surge right there. That is a bright pigment. Right, let's get this one. The mystery shade. Like I said, I don't know what the name of this one is, because it was like a chosen at random in the eye bundle that I got. I think it's gonna have a slight shift. Yeah, so it's got a very subtle pink shift to it. I don't know how well you'll be able to see that one there. I've not swatched it very well. I don't think that's showing up on camera, but it's got a really delicate kind of pink shift. So they're the pigments. Okay, so next up I got the Beauty Egg. So I got this one in blue. I did want to get it in pink because pink is my favourite colour, but they were out of stock of that one. So it's a really nice soft feeling beauty blender. It's got a cutout section just on the edge here, obviously round everywhere else, and kind of like a flat bottom there. So I look forward to testing this out and using that. Next up, that came in the eye bundle. Sorry if you can hear a hairdryer going off, Billy's drying his hair. These brushes came in the eye bundle. It is the eye brush set, and I love the packaging. I love that you get this little case with it, and it's got this little pink pom-pom. It's so cute. So it does come with a little tag to prevent the zip coming open, so I need to take that off. Okay, so it does come with this little leaflet as well, which has got the names of the brushes on for you. So this collection is the class of '86, so it's kind of 80s themed, which is really cute. So it's got the names of the brushes and their little descriptions of what they are made for. So this is really cute. It's really attentive to detail. I love that. So you get 7 brushes in here. So they do also come individually wrapped as well, just to protect them. I absolutely love the handles of these brushes as well. The unicorn horns, it fits perfectly obviously with their brand Unicorn Cosmetics, and it's just that little attention to detail. So this would be like an eyebrow brush or a fine liner brush here. Then got this small kind of packing brush. We've got this flat brush here. This would be a really perfect one to cut the crease and use the P. Louise blank canvas with. This would be a great one for that. We've got a small domed brush. They're nice and soft as well. I think they're synthetic hair as well. They don't feel like natural hair. And then the final 3 look to be blending brushes. So like a small, medium and a larger fluffy blending brushes. Yeah, I think they're definitely synthetic hairs as well, which is good. So yeah, they're really cute. And like I said, I absolutely love the little case that these come in. Really, really sweet and attentive. And pink. Last but not least, I'm super excited for this one. I love this tissue paper as well. I got the Wicked palette. Okay, so here is the box. It's obviously got this matte finish here with that gloss finish on the box here and on the back. So it comes packaged in lots of bubble wrap, which is great. That means we're going to get all that protection there. So here is the actual palette. So obviously that matte with these gloss details with the skull, the drips, logo and the name of the palette here. So 26 matte and shimmer eyeshadows designed to cast a spell on you with unique double eyeshadows in a single pan. These complementary duos give you the perfect pair. And then in quotes from Mel, the creation process of this palette has been filled with tricks and treats. I wanted a unique colour combination inspired by all things devilish and villainous that was wearable both day and night. Then adding some UC style, I wanted to create duos in a single pan so that everyone could be creative with complementary shadows. Packed with pigment and looks creamy texture, our formula is both vegan and cruelty free, and I can't wait to see the looks that you create. Dare to be different, babe. Love, Mel Blue, which is really, really cute and personal as well. I love that they have that personal touch there. Jeremy, what are you doing? Okay, so let's open this up. Ooh la la, look at this. So this is really interesting. I love the concept of this. You've got your lighter kind of daytime looks at the top here. Then you've got your darker shades at the bottom. So these are your full pans at the top here. So I see what she means from day to night. And then she's got the complementary shadows here for you. So she's kind of made your job a lot easier when it comes to picking colours. She's kind of done the work to pair them up for you. I'm instantly drawn to this shimmer, this pink one here. So it's called 666, this one. So these are all matte at the top and the bottom. And then each square pan has its own shimmer along with a matte to go with it as well. They do feel really, really nice. I love this green one, Hella. Love the names of them, wow. I really like the look of this bright purple down here as well, that looks awesome. Right, let's pop these here. So we've got 666. That's beautiful, really, really gorgeous. And then that was Afterlife that went with it there. Then I've picked up Hella, this green shimmer, beautiful. And then I've picked up Wicked, this purple one. So yeah, they're awesome. I can't wait to play with this palette. Jeremy! Got my own little black cat of mischief here as well. Alrighty, so that completes my haul of Unicorn Cosmetics. Let me know what your favourite from the haul is, and be sure to keep your eyes peeled as well, because I will be doing a look with the Wicked palette and the brushes and some of the pigments at some point as well. So make sure you keep your eyes peeled for my video of actually using these products. Oh, Jeremy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up for me, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. I hope you're all well and keeping safe. Thank you so much for watching. I shall see you next time. Goodbye. Say goodbye, Jeremy's.